evening, Gloucester. I'm Peter Lovasco, your Good Morning Gloucester weatherman on this Friday evening. This is for Saturday morning forecast. Lots to talk about, folks, coming up, but let's get right to the forecast for tonight. We're looking at mostly clear skies. Lows will be right around 30 to 35 degrees with a light west wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Coming up for Saturday, could have a few morning snow showers before 10 a.m. and then a slight chance of rain or snow showers between 10 and noon time. And we'll warm up things right around 45 to 50 degrees. And we're going to have a breezy, gusty southwest wind around 10 to 15, increasing to 20 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Could see some gusts as high as 40 miles per hour late day. And therefore a gale watch is up for mariners, and that goes until Saturday evening. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Saturday night, we're looking clear, right around 30 degrees for your low. And we'll have a west wind, pretty gusty, 20 to 25 miles per hour, decreasing after midnight. Sunday, we're looking at mostly sunny skies, temperatures right around 40 degrees. And Sunday night, we'll drop down to the teens and low 20s as we get cold again. Monday, we're looking at clouds and a few sunny breaks, high around 25 degrees. It's going to be a very cold day on Monday. It might be 30 at the coast. Monday night, we drop back down to teens. Tuesday, mostly sunny, high around 34. Watching Tuesday night very carefully. I'm going to go over that in a minute. And for the possibility of a major nor'easter Tuesday night and or Wednesday, and that may last into Thursday. All right, let's get to that forecast. On the impending nor'easter, shall I say? Okay, so what we're looking at here is up here in the actually up in Canada, we have a low pressure system. A couple of low pressures, double barrel low pressures over the Great Lakes. We got a warm front that extends out from those two low pressures, and we got a bunch of low pressures as you go from the Oklahoma area down to Texas, Mexico, and out into Colorado, Rockies, and the Southwest. We're also watching a high pressure off of the Pacific with another storm system that's going to be coming in. So here's how the map's looking right now. Tonight, Saturday morning, we're going to watch this low pressure system. Is going to push through with maybe a few snow showers coming into Cape Ann. I can zoom in on that for you. Hold on one second. It's not zooming. Let's get it zooming. There we go. So we're right about here. So what we're going to be looking at is a chance of a few snow showers coming up on your Saturday morning. Okay, other than that, the map is looking pretty impressive with a lot of storm systems on the map. As you can see, we're pretty covered. So what we're going to be watching is later in the week, a low pressure is going to develop down here in the Gulf of Mexico. I'll show you that in a minute. And one of the tracks takes it up and just out to sea, and another one takes it up and closer to Cape Ann, southern New England, Cape Cod. Okay, now what we're looking at here is a low pressure system. What's that? Alabama, Louisiana area, South Carolina. We're watching this low pressure system. This is the one that is going to feed moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico. Matter of fact, the computer models have the low farther down with this high pressure is off of Florida, so it'd be off of the Florida coast, Louisiana coast. And that low is the one that we're going to watch that's going to head up the coastline. And this is your Sunday map for March 23rd. Okay, and we're back. And now we're looking at March 25th, Tuesday weather map here. Folks, this is the low pressure system that we're going to be watching right here. Now off of the coast of Florida. We got a 1024 strong high pressure system. And we got a strong 996 low. Also out in the Pacific, we have a very strong 996 low pressure system, 992, that's going to be coming into Northern California and Alaska. Now what we're going to be concerned with, or what the players are on the map, is we're going to have a ridge forming in the Midwest Great Lakes area. It's going to build a trough along the east coast. This high pressure is no longer going to be in control, and it's going to move out towards the east-northeast, allowing this low pressure to possibly come up the coastline or go further out to sea. Okay, here we are on day 5, and this is Wednesday, March 26th. This is the beast right here. Look at all the isobars around this low pressure. It's down to, I believe it's 964 on some of the computer model maps. This one has it at 994, the latest computer model map. You can see that the winds are coming into the eastern part of New England, which would also be throwing in copious amounts of moisture in off of the Atlantic Ocean. If this low pressure system was to be about 50 miles more to the west, or let's say southwest, off Long Island or Cape Cod, we'd be looking at an all-out blizzard here Tuesday night and Wednesday. However, most of the computer models want to take it just a little bit too far east to really slam us. But if this does, and it is plausible that this track could be a little further east, if that's the case, west, if that's the case, then we're going to be looking at hurricane force wind gusts coming on shore from Cape Ann to Cape Cod, Long Island, and the South Coast, and anywhere in this area right here could see over 12 inches of snowfall or more. This is a monster, folks. This is really going to be we call it a meteorological bomb. It's just going to drop 24 millibars in 24 hours. So that's definitely the bomb we're looking at right there. So day 6, bye-bye storm. There it goes up into the Maritimes, up into far North Atlantic Ocean. By then it's a powerful 955 or 960 millibar storm. High pressure builds in over the Atlantic. And then you can see we have the cold air up in Canada with another strong 1,008 millibar high pressure or low pressure high, and then we got another storm out in the Midwest. And what's going to happen is we're going to see a pattern change, and the jet stream is going to lift to the north, and that's going to allow spring and warmth and mild temperatures to come right into New England. So, with all that said and done, I think that if after this event, snowstorm or a miss, whichever it is, I really believe that we'll be going more into a spring zone, and we can say goodbye to winter for once, or for finally. So, excuse me, I need my coffee. So that's really about it. That's your forecast, and I'll keep you up to date on that potential monster. That's right, folks. Monster nor'easter, late Tuesday night into Wednesday. We don't want it. None of us want it. I don't want it. I'd rather go out in the links and hit a few golf balls. For now, I'm Peter Lovasco, your Good Morning Gloucester weatherman. Have a great Friday evening. And again, a bonus. See you Saturday morning. Bye.